Guys, video unplanned. My face right now shows excitement. Hopefully you can see it through my Asian eyes. But I'm so excited right now. I'm literally walking out of our house. Stay with me. I'm walking out of our house and I'm rushing over just after lunch to head over to our escape room to finish building, right? And I look on my phone and I get this notification. And the title is Subaru Ambassador Headquarters. And I look and my heart like stopped and I'm like, what is going on exactly? So I opened the email and I briefly read. I'm trying not to get my hopes up because you guys know that I got denied, right? Because they didn't have enough people in the area. So I looked and it says, share your love for Subaru. And then all of a sudden it's like, I can't really show you the email, but and all of a sudden there's a huge gap and it says you can become a Subaru ambassador. I'm excited. Let's head over to the office. It's too hot here. I'll teleport you guys over there. I'm so excited. I can't even compile my thoughts. Breathe. Ready? Transport. Hey.
Hello.
Why are you sweaty?
Hello.
I got an email today.
Oh. Hold on.
Take a guess. Take a guess. I got an email today.
Subaru. IRS.
I get both of those. So I gotta read through it, but I think it's good news.
Ooh.
I finally made it home. I get to sit down and read that email that Subaru sent. It's been a couple hours. Now, I don't know how private Subaru wants these emails, so I'm not gonna show you guys, but I'll abbreviate what I can for you guys. It starts off with, you can become an ambassador. It looks like they watched my episode 4 about the video that I got rejected from Subaru Ambassador. I'll link it up. No. Why? How would you do this to me, Subaru? Don't you remember all these amazing moments when we used to sit in the car together and vlog? What did I do to deserve this? Because I haven't driven you in a while? Over here so you guys can watch it. And they watched it and they said, yeah, that's pretty clear that I make a great addition to the Subaru Ambassador team. That makes me excited because you guys know I love my Subaru. It's one of those things where, yeah, I don't drive it as much, but my love and appreciation for it never has gone away. It's kind of like, if you guys think about it, I treat it like a collector's car, even though it's not, but I treat it like it. That's why I keep it precious. We still clean it. The battery's charged up, the back system's checked, and it's always indoors. So I kind of keep it like a collector's car. And some people harp on me for not driving it, but I have a lot of other cars and I try to keep this car pristine. It has very low miles. It has less miles than my GTR. It has my Tesla. Give you perspective. My Tesla is 1.5 years old, and a Tesla has half the miles of the Subaru, and the Subaru is 7 years old. Mind blown. We're excited to share the opportunity. Okay, Subaru Ambassador. Ooh, I'll be able to spread the word of a Subaru, which I already do. You know, I wish we could actually write down how many Subarus I've sold through my videos, because at one point every week someone would message me and say, I bought my Subaru because of you. Imagine if I was a salesman. Whoa. So this is what I might receive by becoming an ambassador. Latest information, that is good. Products and programs, I like even that. Assortment of materials, Subaru gear, and I get to share the community. I like that. And you guys know that I only typically wear my own clothing brand. It's very rare that I wear any other t-shirt brands usually, but I will rep Subaru. And then it ends with, if I'm willing to make the commitment, apply below. So I'm gonna apply below. What's up guys, it's Mike. This is some behind the scenes and night footage of the pre-movie meet that we had for Fast and Furious 6. You guys will get to see the fun time we had. We're really relaxed and really fun. If you guys ever need to check out some local meets in Southern California, make sure you guys check out Rexagram. Really cool guys, lots of fun meets. We're all really relaxed and you guys will get to see in this video what we're doing, a bunch of our shenanigans. So enjoy the video and check out the nice rides.
You going, Mom? Yeah. Oh, on the cars? Talking about the cars here? The scenes?
So what I'm doing is I'm clicking apply. It opened a new page. I'm gonna pick up this page, put it on my big screen. Ooh, what does it say? Oh, what an exciting time to be alive. Okay, document on the big screen right above you guys. Appreciate you, Subaru Ambassador. Please complete the following questions best as I can. Do you or family work for Subaru? Retailer? No. First name, Michael. Last name, Win. Email address, got you. Confirm email address. Got it. Phone number. Ooh, phone number. Gotta hide this one. 24 to 34. Subaru status. Subaru owner. All right, I get to select WRX. Boom! I wish I could select STI, honestly. Morning, guys. It is like 7 in the morning, 45 degrees. So I'm gonna give you guys a little quick cold start. I'm using a smaller camera, so it's not a good camera with audio, but I'll let you guys hear the car at least. It's cold. VIN number. Nope, gotta get that. How many Subarus have I owned in my lifetime? Uno. Tell us what you like best about the Subaru brand. It's a practical vehicle. It's fast and sporty. Great. It has 4 doors. The community is amazing. It has a ton of aftermarket parts. It's never boring driving the car for sure. Why would you like to become a Subaru ambassador? Good question, buddy. I have always loved the brand and car. It's helped build my entire life and my family's security. It has I like the sedan a lot. That's why I bought one and not the hatchback. But things changed, like this little man right here. He got really big, by the way. He grew like almost 3-4 inches in like a week. He's humongous. Look at him. Look at him. He's big. But I think a hatchback might work for my lifestyle. What do you guys recommend in years wise? Like between the 2011 and the 14. I have the 11 sedan, so I'm thinking maybe another 11 hatch. But I don't like buying used Subarus because I'm afraid people might drive them a little bit too hard. That's my biggest concern about it. But there's certain things you can do to prevent, or actually there's certain things you can do. I feel like nervous typing this out. What qualifies you? What qualifies me to be a Subaru ambassador? I'm writing a thesis. Sorry guys, I'm so focused on typing this out because I really want them to understand my love for the community is beyond just driving it. Like anyone can own a car and drive it, but like the way I would explain it to you guys is like I love the car a lot and I don't drive it too often because with the bags it's really hard to like rush through the city and like get my work done. But even though I don't drive it, I keep it stored and taken care of, so that way it's something that would be a part of my family forever. It's like a collector's car. So when I'm writing this down, I'm typing this down, I really want to portray the idea that I am going to be driving it a lot more now. But I've always had this love for the car, no matter where it's been, no matter what we've done in life. So I want to type this out in a way where they can understand it and where they'll accept it, because I've gotten this far with them. I don't want to mess it up. So excuse my silence. There's this last segment in this on this website. It asks you if there's anything else you want to tell them. And I had like a very brief conversation on this, and I want to tell you guys a little bit about it. But I basically wrote, I think I'd be a great member of the team. I have a large social following and an honest, organic love for the brand. It's built my life to where I am today. It's not just a car, but it's a lifestyle. The brand is a passion because it's given my family so many opportunities. It's just not a car to us. It's become a part of our family. And that's like a super small, brief paragraph that I wrote to explain to them how much the car means to us. Beyond like, hey, I've got a sick ass car. It's literally something that helped build our family's lifestyle. And the rest of it is just filling out all the social stuff. I just submitted my application. Look at that. It says thank you for applying. They're gonna hear from us in a few weeks. Okay, so this is good. They received it just now. Maybe my little Pikachu will give me some good luck. Fast forward 2 hours later. Back to work, but I've got my oil filter, which means tomorrow we're gonna be doing the oil on the Subaru. JDM's nice.
Got the big wang. That's actually stock.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing? Are you eating? Yes.
Doing okay. Leaving you in the taxi.
I just finished burning pieces of wood. Just kidding. Spray paint. Pretty cool, right? Part of the puzzles. You guys play the escape room when we do open. When we do open, this is part of the game. Try to figure it out. This right here is also a part of the escape room. What can it be? You have to wait and find out. Ooh, man, what a freaking long day. That's my little dongle. Oh man, what a long day. Long day? Sweaty? Good progress today. We were able to do quite a bit. Like, the wall is laid out. We finished 2 large puzzles. We finished a few interesting positions of doors without telling you too much.
We did some stuff.
We tested some technology with our friends that came in, didn't know anything about it. It worked.
Hell yeah.
It scared us too.
It's the one and only Eagle Double G. And if you happen to get cracked, trick, shut your trap. I told her I'm 18 and live a crazy life. Plus I tell you what the 80s like, and I know what the ladies like.
We gotta work on your YouTube personality. We gotta make sure you're good on camera, mister. Right? So, subscribe, follow Instagram at Smurfinwrx. And also, if you didn't know, Turbo has an Instagram. It's called Smurfinpit. Follow him if you want. We're gonna be uploading a bunch of videos on him and pictures. But I'll talk to you guys later. Say bye, Turbo. Goodbye, everyone. We have a lot of fun things coming up, so make sure you guys like the video if you guys like more Q&As and all that good stuff. In the meantime, Primal driven. Tiger tires. Turbo's over there. Subi's over there. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Fist bump. Time and he's revving in this super quiet, retired neighborhood home. No wonder the neighbors don't like us.
What?
Bye.